Hello, my name is Shehbaz from Windsor Group. I am recruitment consultant managing the IT support officer position for a respected non-profit organization based on Brisbane's north side. Today I will be conducting your interview. I will be asking a series of questions to understand your technical skills, customer service approach, and your ability to work in a fast-paced support environment. Let's get started. Now, please tell me about yourself.
Hello, my name is Astha Binpreet Lathia. Thank you for opportunity to introduce myself. I have completed my Masters of Business Information Systems in Melbourne, and I am currently completing my professional year in Tasmania. Over this period, I have strengthened my skills in IT support, communication, customer service, troubleshooting, and teamwork. I am applying for the IT support officer position, and I believe I am the best candidate for this role because of that I hold it. My technical knowledge, my customer focus approach, my ability to stay calm under pressure. I have hands-on experience in providing level 1 and level 2 IT support, supporting hardware, software and physical devices, working with IP networking, DHCP, DNH, DNS and a general network principles, troubleshooting user issues through clear and confident communication, preparing documentation, updating procedures and assisting team across the organization. One of my strongest qualities in emotional intelligence, I listen actively, understand the user frustrations, and enjoy helping people feel supported when experiencing IT issues. I always aim to create a positive experience by staying patient, polite, and solution focused. Overall, I believe I am a reliable, dedicated, and confident candidate who can add a value from the day one. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to the opportunity to contribute to your organization.
So now my first question is, why do you want this role?
I want this IT support officer role because it aligns perfect with my technical skills and my passion for helping people. I enjoy environment where I can solve problems, support colleagues, and ensure smooth technology operation. Your job description mentions strong customer service and reliable communication, and those are two qualities I consistently demonstrated, and the opportunity to work with a respected non-profit organization is also meaningful to me.
Now give an example of a time you solved a technical problem.
A staff member couldn't connect it to the network and was unable to complete the urgent task. My responsibility was to diagnose the issue quickly and restore access. I checked the physical connections, verified the network setting, and discovered the devices wasn't receiving an IP address. I refreshed the DHCP leads, reconfigured the network adapter, and restarted the switchboard. Their connection was restored within a minute and they were able to complete their work on time. They appreciated my calm approach and clear explanation what would happen.
Now next question is, how do you handle pressure or difficult situation?
In that situation, I stayed calm, organized, and focused on solutions. I prioritized tasks based on urgency, which helped for the business impact. If multiple tickets come at once, I communicate clearly with users, set expectation, and work efficiently. I believe emotional and intelligence is important. People often feel stressed when technology fails. I maintain a positive attitude and provide reassurance while solving the issue.
Now how do you prioritize your tasks?
I prioritize based on urgency, number of users affected, and impact on operations. For example, if a system-wide issue affected many users, that become my top priority. Smaller issue or routine tasks are handled next. I also document all the actions clearly so my team can stay up to date and aligned.
Now my question is, why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I bring a combination of technical skills, customer service strength, and a strong work ethic. I understand networking is fundamental like DHCP, DNS, and IP configuration. I can troubleshoot hardware and software quickly and professionally. I am also reliable, team oriented, and eager to learn. I believe I would contribute positively to your organization from my very first day.
Now the role is based in Windsor, Brisbane, Queensland, requires a driving license for travel and involves managing two rotating shifts 9 to 5 and 7 to 3. How do you ensure your reliability while managing the shifts, work, and the need for relocation?
I hold the required driving license. Crucially, I want to confirm I am fully prepared and ready to move to Queensland immediately upon being selected for this role, with all logistic planned to ensure zero delay to my start date. And my commitment to reliability and professionalism is absolute. I will treat the rotating shift with clear scheduling and discipline, ensuring I am on site and prepared for all my duties, providing my dependency to the Windsor Group team for the day one.
Yeah, thank you for this interview.
Thank you.
Thank you.